The Starry Night is an oil on canvas painting by the Dutch post-impressionist painter Vincent Van Gogh, painted in June 1889. Cinderella is an Eurasian folk tale popularly known as one of the Disney princesses. In the theme of the Starry Night, here I painted Cinderella hurrying to leave the ball at midnight. Before starting, make sure to subscribe as a small token of love. The colors used here are mentioned in the description box. You can check it out down there. I'll use small unmixed brush strokes to complete the drawing. I drew a lot of swirls in the sky to depict the urgency of that moment. After the base, I'll go towards detailing the sky with deeper and lighter shades. The giant ball that you see here depicts the moon. Now starting with Cinderella's golden hair. Same way as that of sky, light to dark shades with some highlights. Note that the moonlight is coming from the left side. Accordingly, the painting is lighter on the left and darker on the right side. Darker shades towards the right side. And lighter shades towards the left. Now her left hand will be more dark as it's behind her body. I'll decorate her dress with small butterflies to give it a dreamy princess look. As for any other post-impressionist painting, there is no or minimal use of black. I have not used black in this whole painting. I painted her upper lip dark and lower lip light. So the upper part of the painting is complete. I connected two stars with the swirls to give it a dreamy look. Starting with the lower part of the gown, I'll again fill the base same way with the light shade as I had done before. You can see all individual brush strokes unmixed. You can see the movement of the gown while she runs. Some silver to give the gown a sparkle. detailing the folds of the gown with deep and light shades. Note that I used wet brush but did not mix any color using water. Giving layers to give it a silky appearance. I chose Starry Night and Cinderella as they both resemble night, dreamy look, and most importantly, mixed emotions though in different situations. The soft and silky appearance of her gown resembles her kind, soft-hearted and caring nature. Both Vincent Van Gogh and Cinderella had mixed emotions. In the Starry Night, Van Gogh reflected his turbulence, his illness, his tempers. In Cinderella, her fear, her miserable life, and her stepmother. Both were in search of inner peace, though in different frames. Hope you guys liked the video. Leave your thoughts in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.